Vision 2030 Jamaica is geared towards engaging all Jamaicans and development partners in the process to achieve and benefit from sustainable and inclusive development. The achievement of the 4 goals and 15 national outcomes will result in a vibrant and internationally competitive economy, a secure and cohesive society, a healthy natural environment, a high level of human capital development, and greater opportunities for social and economic mobility and prosperity. In this video, we will be showing you all about Jamaica's development, Vision 2030, and the evolution of Jamaica's projects. Before we start, don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. One of the most important current projects in Jamaica in 2023, rban Road Improvement Project, Hotel Development, Energy Industry with Renewables, Port Expansion Kingston, Southern Coastal Highway, the vision of a Global Logistic Hub, construction largest bridge in Jamaica. Vision 2030 Jamaica is broad-based in scope, nonpartisan and inclusive, the recipient of input from the public and private sectors, trade unions, NGOs, external agencies, and ordinary citizens. The final product is a national development plan which captures the very diverse needs and aspirations of the people of Jamaica. This long-term development plan seeks to put Jamaica in the position to achieve developed country status by 2030 through short and medium-term priorities, policies, and programs which are captured in the medium-term socio-economic policy framework. The plan provides dynamism and flexibility. This framework for implementation facilitates consistent monitoring and evaluation and allows domestic as well as global changes to be reflected and incorporated in the planning process. The plan is guided by 4 interrelated national goals that identify what Jamaica wants to achieve for the society, economy, environment, and in governance. It also contains 15 national outcomes that are linked to the relevant national goals, 84 national strategies that guide the steps of ministries, departments, and agencies of government, private sector, civil society, and a results-based monitoring and evaluation framework with indicators and targets at the national and sector level. Jamaica had successfully stabilized the economy, turning a fiscal deficit of 11% of GDP in 2009 into a 1% surplus in 2019, and reducing public debt from 142% of GDP in 2009 to 94% by 2019. Jamaica will work on creating scope to boost spending on education, infrastructure, and poverty reduction. Jamaica will also develop tourism. The tourism industry earns over 50% of the country's total foreign exchange earnings and provides about 1/4 of all jobs in Jamaica. It is the largest foreign exchange earner, a major contributor to the GDP, one of Jamaica's fastest growing industries. Jamaica has excellent air, sea, and underwater communications cable links with the United States and the rest of the world. Agricultural products, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and machinery and transportation equipment remain important areas of demand in Jamaica. Jamaica's successful economy, strategic location, connectivity, natural resources, cultural status, and pro-business approach make it the ideal investment destination. In fact, it has been labeled the startup capital of the world. The country has a very vibrant startup culture and is home to some of the most innovative and successful companies in the world. What do you think of the vision and development of Jamaica? Is there anything we didn't mention? Write it in the comments. In the next video, we will be creating content to answer your questions and comments found throughout all Jamaican videos on our channel. And here we are at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel.